All right, Amaya, read for us. Can you read for us that problem on the board?
Chad sees 6 beetles when he weeds his garden. Each beetle has 6 legs. How many legs are there on all 7 beetles?
Good job. So Chad sees 7 beetles when he weeds his garden. And each beetle has 6 legs. I want to know how many legs there are on all 7 beetles. So I want you to talk at your groups on a level 1 for 1 minute, and I want you to come up with a way that you can solve this problem. Go. Okay, so think about how can you draw that out. I'll talk about that. Draw it out together. How can you draw that out? Which that's what we're trying to put it out there. Okay. All right, good job. So let's stop. All right, I'm going to have each group is going to share how they think we can solve it. So Talia, what did your group say that y'all were going to do to solve this problem?
We wrote 7 times 6, then we wrote a tape diagram.
Okay, good job. They a tape diagram, number bond. Anastasia, what did your group say?
We said we wanted to skip count.
Okay, skip count. And then Ethan, what did y'all's group say you were going to
We
do?
said that we are going to do 7 times 6 equals L, and then we're going to come up with L.
Okay, so their group was going to solve. So, everyone needs to draw their tape diagram, because I heard that from similar groups. So go ahead and draw your tape diagram. In our tape diagram, and Elise, how many groups should we have?
You should have 7 groups of 6 each.
Okay, and what in here tells us that we should have 7?
The first number of the multiplication, 7 times 6.
Okay, good job. So because I have 7 beetles, right? So and how many legs did each beetle have?
6.
6. Good job. So we should have 6 in here. Okay, do we know our total?
No, ma'am.
No, so that's where we're going to use what Ethan's group said, and we're going to put the letter L and let that stand for legs, because that's what we want to find out, is how many legs are on all 7 beetles. So go ahead and draw that tape diagram. I'll give you 1 minute, and then I'm going to switch the screen over in the Elmo and let you can show your tape diagram. I have 2 people show their tape diagram. Okay, you got 1 minute. So your tape diagram should have 7 groups. And then how many legs did each beetle have? 6.
6.
Yes, ma'am. Give it about 20 seconds. Who thinks they have the answer so far? Okay. Couple more seconds. Alright, so let's stop. Anastasia, will you come bring your work up here and show us how you drew your tape diagram? Explain to us how you got your answer.
Well, Miss Morris said that we had to use the tape diagram, and when I skip counted by 6, I had 42 in all, because 7 times 6 equals 42.
Okay, good job. So 7 times 6 equals 42. What did the letter L represent in Elise in our problem? Legs, right? And what was the legs in our problem?
42.
Well, 42, but what was it in our word problem? We knew how many beetles, let's look again. We knew how many beetles and we knew how many legs each beetle had, so what did the L represent in our problem?
Legs.
One beetle or all beetles?
All
beetles. And did we know that in the beginning?
No.
No. So how many legs do all 7 beetles have?
42.
42, good job. Alright, so let's go ahead, let's get our math notebooks out and let's open to lesson 7. Your math binder. Math binder to lesson 7.